still a middle ground separating us from the midst of crisis. But it is not something we take for granted. And looking around the region of the world, we all know how much possible we get addicted and grow up where drug sales spree. It has damaging effects that just not weakens the user, but the whole generation of mankind. This development concerns us greatly, because once a person becomes addicted to drugs, his future might be ruined. For drugs takes away the dream from every child's heart and replace it with agony. And we, all people, don't want to see a single one to suffer, because we are born in one nation and are kept bounded by love. We don't want to see you, our brother, our sister, our lover, to sacrifice your soul for a seconds of euphoria. For life is given to be treasured and not to be wasted. and much will be rightfully expected from us. We have duties to others and duties to ourselves, and we can shirk neither. We remain a young nation, but the time has come to set aside our childish things. The time has come to reaffirm our enduring spirit, to choose our better history, to carry forward the precious gift of life, the God-given promise that all are made equal in love, and all deserve a chance to pursue the full measure of happiness. Let us hold hands and help each other seek the real pleasure and beauty of life. Stop drug addiction.